Raining once again.
Yes.
Raining.
Not so hard, but yes, still rain.
We're gonna try a new diner. Oh, not new.
Well, it was.
New to us.
Crystal's confusing me.
Hey guys, so the last day in New York was pretty uneventful. We went out to lunch to a diner, and then the rest of the day we went on search of a bakery called Magnolia Bakery. So what are we searching for? We're
looking for Polo Ralph Lauren.
Let's say we found this. So we came to a open outlet mall when it's raining. Crystal, my lens is getting wet. Pumpkin cheesecake. What is this?
A flourless cake, chocolate cake.
Why is it flourless?
I don't know.
Blueberry. The day ended up with us sitting on the couch watching Leonardo's new documentary called Before the Flood, which, by the way, it's pretty good. It's online for the next couple of days.
Leonardo DiCaprio has just naively bought into the entire global warming hoax.
Who better to educate world leaders on made-up climate change and the crisis that doesn't exist than an actor from Hollywood with 0 years of scientific training?
It's online for the next couple of days. On this link here, you have to watch that. Finally in California.
Local time in LA of 8:40. We're going to be arriving into gate 30 down in LA. The weather down there is about 54 degrees and partly cloudy. Again, we appreciate your business this morning and thanks for flying with JetBlue. Have a great morning.
I'll look around until I found
It's raining.
someone who laughs like you.
All right, today is raining in California, so you guys know what that means. Remember a couple of months ago I said I was gonna give away my drone? Well, I think I should try to do another giveaway. What do you guys say?